filter. Ooh. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining me. This is a 2013 Scion XB with 102,000 miles. Alright, time to drain trans fluid. I'm going to replace the filter, the rubber O-ring, there's the gasket. This is the gasket for the trans pan. 10mm. Here's this right here. Oh, dang it. Oh, where did it go? Freak. Oh, and splashing all around. Oh, got it. Right there, you can see the gasket. That's already cracked right there. This is gone. Oh, 17. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna drop. Let's see. Good. Ooh, what the heck? Huh. That's all of it. 1, 2 right here. Okay, let's go here. Over here. Oh, got it. Ooh. Balancing act. Nice. Whoa. That's just the O-ring right there. Empty this. Ring here. Just like that. This to torque it. Oh, there we go. 96 inch-pounds. The magnets right there. Clean that up. Dang it. Pretty good. Wipe it really good. Look at this now. Kind of hard because of this Loctite. So much bolts. Using my bolt head. I'm gonna do it by hands first. I don't want to cross thread these. Oh man. 96 inch-pounds. Just go crisscross pattern. What was that? Quarts came out. That's one. That's two. Dang it. Three. WS World Standard. Hey Dan. Good. Good job, thank you, Dan Dan. Squeeze it all out. The juice. Let's test the battery. This is the old school Christie. Let's try. Okay. Alright, it's good. Need to bleed the cooling system. Let's turn it on. Just wait. Down here. Make it rest. It should suck some in. So just leave it. I'm gonna get raw. Raw got some stuff again. That is a lot of stuff, Raw. That was 2 hours. I waited. So it just went down a little. Just put a little bit more. Put right here. There. Okay, good. Just need to test drive it now. test drove it on the freeway. Now the transmission is hot. Right over here. Between, it's okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace, everybody. Cut.